Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add Capterra reviews to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Capterra reviews. So let's go to top right, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. That's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Then you're gonna be here in applications, and you just want to simple write in search Capterra, and just click Capterra reviews, create a widget, and you can choose between carousel, slider, grid. You can go with a carousel or just slider. Slider is good too. So let's continue with the template. Right then you just need to add here your URL. Then you can change the layout, also the review style, the width of your content. And then just go to top right and click save. Right after, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or up to 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now what you want to do is just take the HTML code, paste it, and paste the code here. And voila, here we got it. So I'm going to preview the changes. And here you got amazing Capterra reviews for your Elementor website. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, goodbye.